It's peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. We're coming at you with another ninja video. We want to test out making fresh peanut butter. Let's do this.
So we decided to do this video because first of all, we ran out of peanut butter. And second of all, the Ninja blender has gotten some great responses from viewers with lots of questions, not believing that it can make ice cream, not believing that it can crush ice and do what it can do. Well, now we're going to show you that it can make peanut butter as well. So here we go.
We're using the Up Pick peanuts we bought at Costco. So really all there is peanuts and some salt. It is a product from Canada. If you can't get that, obviously just get any peanut. So they're already salted, so I won't be adding salt, and I'll be roasting the peanuts at 350 for about maybe 5 minutes.
How much peanuts is in here?
And it's 2.5 cups in here.
Okay, so we're gonna roast these for how long?
About 5 minutes.
So we'll see you guys in 5 minutes.
These babies are roasted, and the oils have come out of it, so it'll make a nice creamy peanut butter. We'll let it stand for about 2 minutes before putting it in the blender. Peanut. All right, they're roasted. Let's do this.
Take off the top.
Take off the top.
Our Ninja Auto IQ Total Crushing Power. Smoothies, Ice Crush, and possibly
Peanut butter.
peanut butter. Let's see.
People do this in a food processor, but I think our Ninja will succeed. All right.
It's only like a quarter full.
It's only a quarter full. I don't know how much that's really going to make for us, but
It's really just a test.
it's a test. It's a test.
If we like it, well, you can make more later on.
Definitely. We have a whole bag. So we're going to start pulsing it, and then I'm going to sweeten it with some honey, and of course you'll add a little oil so that the sweetener can combine.
Now, which one are you going to choose? It's going to be smoothie or this one? Pulse?
Maybe smoothie.
I'll check it, see it until it gets creamy.
All right, let's do it.
Whisper quiet! Oh, okay.
So the smoothie button has finished. I'm going to pop it up because we do need to help
Look,
the
still hot inside there.
smoking. I'm going to push this down so that we can help it
smells good.
out. It smells delicious, actually.
I'm not a big peanut butter fan, trust me.
I am. I definitely am. So I'm going to... Alright, so I'm going to put the oil and the sweetener, which is honey. I'm only going to put maybe a tablespoon or 2. So here goes the oil. Yes, it's oily, but the oil will help.
Yeah, I have to add some oil.
And my honey. Here. I don't want too much. I definitely wanted a natural sweetener for this. What's better than honey? Or maple syrup. Maple syrup's really good too.
Okay, and then we're gonna blend it again.
And we're gonna blend it again. Let's see if the honey moves.
So far, guys, used smoothie.
Yep.
Smoothie seems to be the way to go.
Yeah.
We were using a mixture
the
of
high
high
and
and pulsing, but no, use smoothie. Smoothie is really making it smooth.
I'm adding in a little honey because I did just take a little taste, and
I would say maybe 2 more smoothie
pulses,
and it should be good to go.
Dude.
Okay, and we are done. As I said, use the smoothie function. It works the best, and it was roughly between 8 and 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So let's see how she looks. Beautiful and creamy.
Now, so I've seen others have like really liquidy
I think this
peanut
is
butter,
the
but
perfect.
I like
Listen,
it.
you can buy chunky peanut butter.
Yeah.
You can buy. It depends on what you
Oh,
like. You can
That's
keep.
how. Oh, that's nice.
We could have kept going if we wanted to.
Yeah. Yeah, we could have kept going till it really came out like pouring.
It's our first
liquid.
time doing it, so
But I think I like this.
let's check the consistency.
All right. All right, so I think it's pretty good consistency for a peanut butter sandwich. Oh, and
You're not going to use the real spoon? Use the real spoon. Get that out of the way because all I see is your hand.
oh,
That's all the people are
use
saying.
me.
Yes.
All right, real spoon.
Very creamy. Yep.
All right, let's taste this. Looks so fluffy. All right. It's hot. Sticks to the roof of your mouth. But that's delicious.
It is peanut butter.
That is so lush, man.
It's fresh.
Yeah.
It's healthier than
For sure.
peanut butter you buy in the stores.
No preservatives.
And much cheaper too because peanut butter is pretty expensive.
Yeah, here anyway. In Quebec, it's like $7. That is really good, guys. And our Ninja did us right again.
Ninja's done it again. Oh, there it is. It's glad though. It was getting hot. After 10 minutes, man, we gave it a break every few seconds.
Yeah, you need to give the blender, whatever blender you're using, actually a break.
Oh, yeah. Most blenders would have broken by
Yeah.
now.
Yeah, no
Blenders are
cheapy
made to
blender.
do. Yeah, it has to be a good blender.
Yeah.
The Ninja is not a cheap blender. It was over $300, and there may be infomercials at night about it that I haven't seen. But it's a very good, well-known brand name blender, and does it all. Does meat. It does ice cream. It blends anything, and it makes fresh peanut butter. Guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this.
Try it out.
Try it out and let us know in the comments how it went. Take care.